KG2GROW. Choo Choo Train! Choo Choo Train!
Are you ready? Let's ride! Choo choo choo!
Choo Choo Train!
Choo choo train, choo choo choo. Choo choo train, here comes you. Rolling fast, rolling slow. Everybody, off we go.
Choo choo, clickety clack. Choo choo, down the track. Wave hello, ring the bell, happy train, doing well. Toot toot.
Choo choo train, zoom 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 through the tunnel.
Vroom vroom vroom.
Over bridges, round the bend, adventure waits around the
Choo choo, clickety clack. Choo choo, down the track. Clap your hands and stomp your feet, moving to the happy beat.
Babies wave, hi, 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 hi. Kids all cheer.
Bye bye bye.
Happy joins the ride. Little bunny hops beside. Can you whistle?
Toot toot, can you chug?
Chug chug.
Can you wave?
Can you smile? Everybody,
All aboard!
choo choo train, roll roll roll. Happy hearts, happy souls. Round the mountain, past the trees, riding with the happy breeze.
Choo choo,
Bye bye train.
choo choo,
See you soon.
choo choo choo.
Wave goodbye.
Hope you liked the video. Like, share and subscribe for more videos.